Realities will not go away, simply because we have different opinions about them. These realities will not be dissolved, just because some have doubts about them. You will realize that those only discover, but do not create, truth. As with the law of gravity, it is an absolute truth. It never varies, or will it ever. A watchmaker in Switzerland, with materials at hand, made a watch that was found in the sands in a California desert. The people who found the watch had never been to Switzerland, nor seen the watchmaker, nor even seen the watch made. The watchmaker still existed, no matter the extent of their ignorance or experience. One might even lie and say, there is no watchmaker. That would not alter the truth.
In this watch, there are micro-machines within it, which cannot operate independently. All must operate precisely, at the same time. This is by design. The cell has millions of molecular machines, all must operate precisely at the same time, or you just don't exist. This is clearly by design. Not by any UN-directed, or by natural selection. The theory of Darwinism is over. Why are there those that think they can fathom the most complex depths, without the necessary experimental and laboratory work accompanied by compliance with the laws that govern it?
Any intelligent man may learn what he wants to learn. He may acquire knowledge in any field, but will never know the creative processes, unaided, unless revealed by the designer. And that is just not going to happen. So keep up the guesswork. That is all they can do, is guess.
It's simple to use. Just ask any yes or no question and turn over the magic 8-ball to see the answer. It could be a question about romance, friendship, school, work, and more. Let's try it.
This is an absolute truth. And it cannot be disproved. Of course, there are differences of opinion, but again, opinion cannot change laws, or absolute truths. It is not, if you will, capitulate to the great truths. It is when you cannot indefinitely resist the power and the pressure of truth.
Who are you?
You don't put any stock in this mumbo jumbo, do you?
Actually, I do.